It's October 30th, 1938. You're in your living room, radio on, half listening while you read. Dance music plays. A normal Sunday night. Then the music cuts. We interrupt this program with a special bulletin. A reporter's voice, shaky. Explosions on Mars. Strange flashes of light, seen through an observatory telescope hundreds of miles away. You lean forward. Probably nothing. The music comes back. You relax. It cuts again. A cylinder has landed. New Jersey. Farmland outside a small town you've never heard of. Then screaming. Live. On air. The reporter describing something climbing out of the metal. Moving. A hissing sound. Fire. The broadcast goes dead. Your hands are gripping the armrest. You didn't notice that happening. You call your neighbor. Line's busy. You try again. Still busy. You switch the dial. Just music on the other station. Normal. That should calm you down. It doesn't. If it were real, wouldn't everyone already be talking about it? Back to the original station. A new voice, official this time. Martial law declared. Highways out of New Jersey closed. Militia mobilizing. You've stopped asking whether this makes sense. You're thinking about the road out of town. Outside, a car peels off down the street. Then another. Your neighbor's porch light comes on. He's outside too. Suitcase already in hand, asking if you've heard. Neither of you asks if it's true. You just start moving. By the church 3 blocks over, people are already gathering. Someone's crying. Someone else is redialing a phone over and over, cord stretched taut, trying to reach anyone who might know more than they do. A man near you says his cousin saw the flames from the water tower. You don't ask which cousin. You don't ask how far the water tower even is. None of that matters anymore. You just believe him. The same way he believed whoever told him. Somewhere behind you, someone finally gets a call through. They come back pale, then start laughing, then can't explain why. It's a radio play, a dramatization of the H.G. Wells novel, staged as a fake news broadcast for Halloween. Orson Welles, 23 years old, reading a script. There was a disclaimer at the start of the show, another one halfway through. Most people tuned in late and never heard either. By morning, it's front-page news across the country. Thousands of calls flooding police switchboards. People who ran into the streets. People who swore under oath that they smelled poison gas that was never there. Here's what actually happened to you psychologically during all of this. It's called social contagion, and the fear doesn't travel through the broadcast. It travels through the crowd. Studies afterward found most people who panicked hadn't even heard the whole show. They heard a neighbor's reaction, or a stranger running past, and reacted to that instead. Your brain doesn't just process the event in front of you. It processes how everyone around you is reacting to it, and half the time, that signal wins. You didn't run because of Martians. You ran because your neighbor did. If you've ever caught yourself panicking about something only because everyone around you already was, subscribe. This channel exists for exactly that feeling.